In this next section, we will talk about the material that is used with the EFAR. So the test kit comes with the test book, the examiner booklet, as well as the student booklet. With this, you also have the correctionnaire, which is the scoring booklet for 2 subtests. The rest of the material is available online. So you have the administration material, the software, EFAR, as well as the audio clips for the word reading, as well as the pseudo words. Any other material you may need, you will have to bring yourself. Think of the stopwatch, pen, pencil, eraser, and also blank sheets of paper. The test book has everything you need to be able to administer the test. All the directions are there, all the information you need about all the subtests are there. So with it, you can administer the entire EFAR. All the rules around starting points, how to establish the basal, the reverse rule, and also the stopping point for all the subtests. Everything is in there. The ceiling rule is also in there. You also have examples for the answers that you need, or you actually have the answers when it comes to certain math subtests, for instance. The test book looks like this. So that's the cover page. The examiner booklet has all the information that you will need to input. So student name, your name, date of testing, birthday, as well as some observation that you will make on behavior. All the starting points are there, the stop points are there, the rule for basal or reverse rule, all this is also mentioned in the examiner booklet. It is where you will enter the scores. It is where you will tally all the scores also, and where you will put the results on the top page that you will use to enter in the EFAR software. There's also some space for you to write the wrong answer, so sometimes that will provide you extra information. And there's also a space for you to write down any kind of interventions you may have needed. For example, if you have to repeat certain questions, if you have to use English during testing, and so on. All the observations, all the comments, there's a space to write them down after each subtest, as well as on top of the examiner booklet. It looks like this. So you see all the different sections that I've mentioned, including at the bottom, the section where you enter the raw score that you will then input in the EFAR software. The student booklet is where the student will write down his or her answer on certain subtests. It's not necessarily needed for all subtests. It will be needed, for example, for math subtests, fluency subtests. It is also where you get the practice items for the fluency subtests. All of it will be in the student booklet. The next part will be on administration procedure.